How to turn on or turn off Galaxy Store in customized apps to see app recommendations on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, scroll down and tap on Customization Service. Now in here, scroll down and tap on Galaxy Store. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off. Now once you turn it off, it said that you won't get personalized content in Galaxy Store on any of your devices anymore. So tap on the stop button to stop it. Otherwise, we can switch it on and then tap on Customize to turn it on. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.